What is good, YouTube? We're back again to make the third cooking video for today. I made all these videos because I didn't eat shit today, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna cook some of these videos. I'm gonna make these videos and see like how to make like a healthy snack. I guess I don't know, whatever. What kind of meals you guys like, and show all like the macros, the proteins, and like the calories and all in the carbs, basically. So let's get started. So for this, you obviously need a scale. And okay, I don't know where to start. Okay, so you need to find some low-fat Greek yogurt, non-fat yogurt, whatever, because you can literally flavor it up with berries and any like strawberries or whatever you got. This is not the one that I usually get, but you can get it's close to it. So it's 80 calories for 170 grams. That's pretty good. And get some granolas. My favorite type is Bare Naked. They have some awesome ass pancakes you can make. Their pancake, I can't even speak. Their pancake mix is pretty good. So if I get a sponsorship, that'd be great. Yeah, that's a lot of calories. So we're gonna do per serving. So serving size 100. So we're gonna be able to do about 30 grams. 30 grams seems good because we're gonna do about, so that's gonna be about 135 calories right there to do 30 grams. And I would recommend getting like frozen berries, but I got fresh berries here because I didn't see any frozen berries, which fucking aggravates me. So because if one of these gets messed up, like if they turn like white, it's all bad. Like they just multiply. They're like cells. But frozen berries are the best because they last a long time. So, and if we at the end, I'm gonna sprinkle in some PB Fit because they get that little peanut butter flavor going in with the vanilla and the blueberry. Oh my god, it's gonna be dominant. Okay, let's get started though. So I'm gonna add about 170 grams of this, and this is 180 calories. And I tasted it, and damn, it tasted real good. So that's already 19. So I'm gonna do the thing. do the thing. Holy shit. Okay, so this is okay. Oh fuck, I just zeroed it. But this is 170 grams, and that's a good amount. That's like it was full. Y'all saw it, and now it's about like this height. But this is a good amount. This is a good amount to fill you up. And holy shit, this shit does taste good by itself. So if you want to eat it by itself, you got 80 calories. This is literally 80 calories. That right there is 80 calories. So in my books, this is A-okay right here. So now we're going to add 30 calories of this stuff. So I'm going to get a handful. All right. So watch the numbers. Damn, I got pretty more. Oh my god, I got more shit. Fuck yeah. Ooh, a little bit more. All right. All right. There we go. That's enough. 31. And now the blueberries. We're gonna add about a handful. So let's do a handful. Probably a little bit more. That's good enough. 53 grams. So I'm gonna do the math after this, but yeah. Now I'm gonna sprinkle about 16 grams. Yeah, 16 grams. So let me there we go. Sprinkle that everywhere, get that peanut butter flavor going on. Alright. Get more. Change still. 14, honey. 16. Alright. And all together with this, it's about 310 calories with 16.8 grams of protein. So this is like a dessert, not like a pre-workout meal, more like a dessert. You can make it into whatever fits your macros. But yeah, this stuff, only 310 calories. All of this, I included the blueberries as well. Blueberries about 30 calories, all that. So let's try it. So we got it right here. All right. First bite. That peanut butter vanilla flavor with the granola, top notch. Granola makes everything taste better. So, it's your friendly neighborhood Nova, aka Mion, signing out. See ya. This is 10 out of 10.
Well, I mean, overall, the idea is a very simple one, and the Mamba mentality simply means trying to be the best version of yourself. That's what the mentality means. It means every day you're trying to become better.
Well, whatever happens, happens.